Friends, today let us talk about one of the key factor in life that everyone should follow in their life to succeed or achieve an. This is a short story based on real incident in Japan. In Japan, there was a famous entrepreneur who is known for his innovation and creative mind in the people of Japan. One day, the famous entrepreneur announced that he is going to recruit an personal assistant for himself to assist in the business organization. There was a huge application for the job, but only one can be appointed as a personal assistant for the entrepreneur. After examining the applications, three of the applications were selected for further recruitment process. Selected three members were called for further recruitment process in an hotel where they stayed in each individual rooms. Next day, the entrepreneur came to the hotel and he met all three and gave his hand to the third person and said that he was being selected as the personal assistant of the entrepreneur. Two were shocked, and one of them asked the entrepreneur, "Can you please tell us, sir, what made you to select him and not one of us?"
The entrepreneur took three persons to their respective rooms. At first, they went to first person's room. It was clean before, but now it was unclean. The entrepreneur said that an achiever should possess self-discipline and cleanness, but the first person didn't maintain discipline and cleanness in his room. And they went to second person's room. It was clean. And they also went to third person's room. It was also clean. But the entrepreneur said that I said to the room keepers to switch off the wall of the shower in all three rooms. The first and the second persons started complaining to the room service for water not coming through shower. But the third person noticed the problem and solved himself by turning on the wall. The biggest quality in life is that whether it is small or big problem, try to solve it yourself. Don't depend on others. Dependence makes